I have my vintage Traxxas 4Tech out here, formerly known as the mechanical speed controlled monster, where it hit 43 miles an hour on a Traxxas Titan 12 turn motor. Oh, that's not good. Well, I don't think I'll be running this mechanical speed controller anymore. Last time out here, I ran taller gears and it went 45 miles an hour. I'm running a Kimbrough 69 tooth spur gear today, and I'm running a 45 tooth pinion gear. So 4 more teeth on the pinion gear compared to the last time I ran it. And we're gonna see if we can get up to 50 miles an hour. That's my goal. 5 miles an hour would be a huge jump. I'm not so sure it can do it. But again, all this is a Titan 12 turn, a cheap brushed ESC. It's one of the knockoff Hobby Wing ones. I got this for $13 from AliExpress. I'm running some 8mm bullets, got my GPS ready to go. And this new pinion gear is aluminum. It's not perfectly round. It's slightly off, but it seems to run okay just the same. And as far as the battery I'm gonna run today, I have my fastest Shorty LiPo I've ever run, the CNHL 4900 milliamp hour 120C LiPo. Link in the video description where you can buy all the parts that I'm running today. All right, let's see what this thing can do. Stay tuned. And here we go. Okay, and for the Shorty, 50 miles an hour. I don't know why the Shorty is so darn fast. That's incredible. Smaller batteries usually are slower, more voltage sag typically, but 50 miles an hour. Incredible. All right, let me do one more run. That was my goal. I wanted to get 50 miles an hour on the Titan, and there we go. We're warm, but not too hot. I can get one more run in. Did we beat 50.0 miles an hour? No, but a solid 50, I'll still take it. 50 miles an hour, back-to-back runs, using the CNHL Shorty LiPo. This is by far my fastest 2S Shorty LiPo. I'm just blown away by how fast this thing is. That's incredible. Such a small battery performs that well. 50 miles an hour, way better than I thought I would do in this car today. Again, just a Traxxas 12 turn in here, a cheap speed controller, and what's doing all the work is the Kimbrough gearing, this tall spur gear along with this tall pinion gear. Links in the video description to the different parts I'm using. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get this thing out again soon and see if I can get it just a little faster. I'll make my next goal 52 miles an hour. I'm not sure how much more this has left in it, but we'll keep pushing. And sooner or later, the performance of this brushed motor is definitely going to degrade. But we'll see where I can take it. Stay tuned.